It's a windy day here in South Texas in early spring, but today my kimchi harvest is ready. Hi everyone, if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Riley. Welcome to my garden on this very windy South Texas day. The vegetables that I planted for my kimchi this year, I planted carrots, I planted daikon radish, and I planted some Napa cabbage. And if you watched my video on how to sow carrots, this is the bed that we planted. Let's see how we did. Wow, not bad. Got a little weird growth on the back side, but that is a nice looking carrot. Oh, these look pretty good. These carrots are Bolero storage type carrots that I got from Johnny's Seeds of Maine, 3rd year growing them, and I really love them. So 4 good carrots, that's all I'm going to need for my kimchi this year. Let's head over to my cabbage and daikon radish bed and see how those plants did. In this bed I planted my cabbage, I planted my daikon radish. My cabbage is ready. When I'm harvesting my cabbage, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull back on these outer leaves to give you a look at what this looks like. And these, I'll put these into my compost bin. But that is what that small cabbage looks like there. Let me just pull it out here so you can see. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage. This is perfect for kimchi. I've made this now 3 years in a row. I spent 10 years of my career working in various countries in Asia, so I got quite a taste for kimchi when I was in Asia, and I love making it from the vegetables I grow in my garden. I'm going to finish cleaning up the rest of this cabbage, and I'll show you what that looks like before I harvest it. Here's what these Napa cabbage look like after all the outer leaves have been taken off. They only grow to 11 or 12 inches tall and very easy to grow. I direct sow these right into my bed. I don't even have my soaker hose system in this bed right now. I just hand watered them along, hand watered the daikon radish as well, and they grow great. Now, one thing I'd like to say is I had another cabbage on that back side that I just took out, and that one took some insect damage, but interestingly enough, I left it in there and I didn't do anything to try to deter the pests or anything else, and it almost became like the sacrificial cabbage because the insects left all the other cabbage alone in my raised bed, and just that one was sacrificed. I'll take it. Still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 great Napa cabbage, and that is going to be more than enough for my kimchi. I'm going to harvest these cabbage, and then we're going to get to the daikon radish. Napa cabbage is out. Let's have a look at our daikon radish, see how these came out. And these are not the biggest daikon radish. These can grow, wow, to about that size. However, this is going to be more than enough for what I need for my kimchi this year. Very, very happy with this harvest. Very pleased. Very, very pleased. This is perfect. So tomorrow, I'll be making kimchi, and I'll be making a video of that as well. Hi, Bella. Do you want to help? Super, super, super happy with the kimchi harvest this year. The one thing I didn't plant this year was spring onion, and that's okay because I could pick up a couple at the store and add that to my kimchi. Other than that, I have everything I need. The cabbage came out beautiful. The carrots look great. Even the daikon radish that I could have grown much longer, I have plenty for my recipe. So tomorrow is kimchi day. Everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified next week when we put out a new video. Hey, Bella, say bye. You guys got your colors on, huh?